How to fix login error on Amazon. If you're not being able to log in to the Amazon app for some reason, there could be various issues. The first thing you want to check is the internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular or vice versa and see if that helps you. If you're using the Amazon app on Android, you can long press the Amazon app icon, tap on the I button, which will take you to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. Go to storage, clear the cache files, and also try to clear the data. Then go to your Play Store, search for the Amazon app, check if it has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. If you're still not being able to log in, then chances are that you are entering an incorrect credential. So you want to make sure that your email and phone number is correct and that your password is also correct. If it is showing incorrect password, then you can try to reset your password by tapping the forgot password button, making sure you have access to your phone and email, and resetting your password. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.